Good morning, everyone, and lovely to see you, although it'll probably be mid-afternoon by the time you see this. As you know, I would like to have been with the girls this afternoon, but I'm busy teaching in Boda this afternoon. But let's face it, with today's technology, that will never be a barrier, and I wasn't going to let the girls down by making them do their presentation entirely on their own this afternoon. So, here I am. Now, all you need for the next few moments is a piece of paper. Now, while you're looking for your piece of paper, I should explain, it could be A5 or A4, I don't mind. I should explain, of course, that this is inspired by one of the links that Carol gave us on Tuesday, in which we saw an artist speaking about creativity and the fear of failure that we shouldn't have. So now you've got your piece of paper. We are now going to delve into the art of vocabulary teaching with the Picasso technique. The Picasso technique, because you are now little Picassos. So could you divide your piece of paper up, please, into, well, a bit like a bingo grid. It could be, I don't mind, 6, 9 or 12 squares, so that your paper should look something like this. Okay? That's all it needs to be. Nothing smarter than that. Just 12 or 9 grids, okay? In fact, we're only going to use 6 of the squares, and you're going to write something in there. Right, I'm up to a minute and a half already, so I need to be quick. Right, in one of the squares, not necessarily the first square, could you draw, and you've only got 10 seconds for this, draw a symbol that represents the word, get ready for this, recycle. No words, it could be a symbol, a picture, but no words, recycle. In another square, not adjacent to the first one, in other words, in random order, could you now draw a symbol or word representing retrieve, as in golden retriever, obviously. In a third square, revise, revise. Dartboard, boys. In the fourth square, recall. Remember, they must be randomly chosen squares, not in any order, please. And in the final square, reshuffle. There's only 5, that's all I've got time for. Now then, I'm going to dictate 3 sentences. Please take down these sentences. Is that supposed to be? Is that supposed to be? Yes, you're absolutely right. Well done. Yes, you're absolutely right. Well done. No, I'm afraid not. Try again. I'm afraid not. Try again. Not going to have time to do much about this, but what you're going to do now is look at your partner's pictures, not yours, look at your partner's pictures and say to them, is that supposed to be, and pointing like this, is that supposed to be retrieve? And then they can say, yes, you're absolutely right, or no, I'm afraid it's not. Try again. Go on, you've got 20 seconds, try it. Intonation. Lovely. Good. Super. You can put me on pause if you want to. And so I suppose the final word on what Carolyn, Lil and I have decided is that any random piece of resource or any random piece of resource that gets thrown at you, such as the links, the chocolates, the pictures that Carol threw at us on Tuesday afternoon, can actually be harboured and harnessed and turned into meaningful teaching material. Bye!